Okay, so when I joined Delisi about a year ago, I've actually been formally trained in Sandler for 10 years. I've heard about the summit. I've never attended the summit. I've done all my classes in a classroom type setting. Uh, when I was chosen because of the time of the year with spring break and the ConAg big conference in Las Vegas, I was chosen to represent Delisi. Like I said, I didn't choose to go. I think I was lucky to be selected to go once arriving. I had no idea the amount of people that actually participated in the summit, and the environment was a great environment from all over the world. I met people from the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States. Mike Cranler actually set up a couple of great dinners where I was able to meet a lot of people that he currently coaches. This gave me an opportunity to see how people interact in their daily lives and use the Sandler system to better their position in their markets. Well, when I walked into the main arena and David Madsen kicked off the meeting, it was like a concert. We had over 2,000 people there. He got everybody pumped up and excited for the summit. I really didn't know what to expect. So being followed up by Dr. Ben Hardy and his talk about building your future self now really hit home. To put that game plan in place and to see where you track, within the next 5 years. Like you said, there's really no time frame, but if you don't put those expectations out there, it's really hard to reach those if you don't have those goals set at an early stage. The best thing about the summit was that it's a fast-moving conference. We had an example of the material that was going to be covered. I really concentrated on how to grow my team. One thing that shocked me in one of the presentations was the way AI has started to impact everyday business and how it will continue to impact business. One of the presenters actually went on how ChatGPT has outpaced the fastest moving technology out there, which was Google. And I thought some of the stuff that he talked about, how it could be both a blessing and probably a hindrance as we move into the future. You know what? It's really made me a better leader of people. And it really made me hone in on my team, see where they're lacking in learning the Sandler system, and where I could help them on the things that I've learned through the summit to be able to grow them to be the best salesperson they could possibly be. I think it's a must attend. If you've been doing Sandler for a year, 2 years, 10 years, there's always something that we can learn. I was really surprised on how much I learned and how I'm using that in my daily life today, not only with my team, but with my customers. I've seen some tremendous growth in my team since returning. And I wouldn't say it was all from the summit, but I think taking bits and pieces from it, different individuals from all over the world and how they use it in their daily life, it really helps to translate it how we can use it in our current market with where we're dealing right now.